Hi and good morning to Madam Adeline, our lecturer for this subject. So today, we are from Group 2. We will be presented about the CSC134 group project. Continue our group presentations. I would like to introduce our group members and their roles for this group project. Start with me, Dani Shafika. I'm doing the history of Kuching and the Instagrammable place. But for these presentations, I'm in charge for the introduction of the members and their roles for this group project and the interface design. So the next member is Sarah, where she's going to do the culture and costume that we have in Kuching and also the traditional food. For this presentation, she will explain about the hardware and software that we use for these presentations and also the sitemap. So the last one is Stephanie. She's doing the populations and modern food. But for this presentation, she will explaining the list of sources of the references that we use for this group project. She will demonstrate the multimedia applications.
So now we will start with the hardware and software used for the creation of our website, the making and editing of our presentation and montage videos. For the hardware, we do not use a lot of hardwares and we only use our personal laptop and mouse to create our website and videos. For the software, we use Google Sites to create our website, and for our montage video, we make and edited it using CapCut. For our presentation video, we create presentation slides and record our video using Canva. So that is all for hardware and software use, and we will move on to the next presenter. Thank you.
Next is I would like to present about the interface design. So as you can see here, we have pages like 5 or to 6 pages for our presentation, and we also upload some photos to make our website to be more interesting, and the font style that we use for this website. So for the header type is the main topic for every pages that we create, and for our website we don't have the specific themes because we just follow the flow, the picture that we want to put, and so on. That's all from me. Thank you.
So now we'll move on to the sitemap. We choose Kuching as our division with 5 topics under it with a few subtopics under each of it. The first topic is the history and its subtopic is the background, which will describe the background of Kuching. The next topic is the population, in which its subtopic being the 3 largest population in Kuching, which is Iban, Malay, and Chinese. The third topic is the culture and custom, in which for Iban people it is mirroring ceremony, Zara Mazarahi during Hari Raya celebration for Malay people, and lion dance during Chinese New Year celebration for Chinese people. The fourth topic is the food, in which the food is classified into 2, which is traditional food, panso ayam and kolok mie, and modern food, which is ice cream gula apong and sirloin stick. The last topic is the Instagrammable places in Kuching, which is Common, Trevi, Garden Cafe Pink, and Canteen the Granary. That is all for sitemap, and we'll move on to the next presenter. Thank you.
So this is some of the references that we have been used in our Google Sites. So for the next slides, I will show you guys the demo of the multimedia applications. For this part, I will explain about the demonstration of the multimedia applications. So first thing first, you need to click on the link that has been provided on any platform that you have the link. So when you click the link, it will appear like this on your device. So for this part, you will see when you scroll a bit down, you will see there's a mini description about the Kuching division. So when you go a bit up, there's a small magnifying glass that on the right top button, and when you click on it, you can search things that you want to search on the sites. So you don't have to waste your time to look for something that you don't want to look, and just focus on things that you want to looking for in the sites. So the next one is on your top left side, there's a 3 lines that you can click on it, and then you can see there's a 6 point that you can choose for you to see and read about the things that on these Google Sites. So The first one is the home page, which is this one, and then the second one is history of Kuching. So on this page, you can see that there's a background of the Kuching that we have described, and then you can read through it for you to add on your knowledge about history of Kuching. So the next one is the populations. In Kuching, there's a three kind of nations that majority lives in this Kuching. So the first one is Iban, and the second one is Malay and Chinese people. So we choose these three because the percentage of this nation is bigger than others of nations. And the biggest one is the Iban, followed by Malay, and the last one is Chinese. So when you scroll a bit down, there's a little bit of description of the nations that we have doing a research about it. And when you scroll a bit down, there's a short montage video of the populations. So to watch the video, you can click on the button and then the video will play on the YouTube. So when you click again on the YouTube, there's a small like a box button that you can make the video a bit bigger, but I'm using my iPad to record this demonstration, so I cannot make the video a bit bigger. So when you use other device such as laptop or smartphone, you can watch the video with a more bigger size of screen. Enough with the video. So next one is we want to look at the culture and the customs in Kuching division. When you click on that button, you will see there's a colorful pictures that we have choose from the internet based on the nation that we have choose from the previous point, which is population just now. So for this part, we are describing about the cultures and the customs of the three nations that we have choose, which is Iban, Malay, and Chinese. So when you scroll a bit down, there's some of examples video of mirroring ceremony and lion dance. By the way, the video is not on by us, and then we took the video from the internet as a references of people to watch the kind of the cultures of the nations such as Iban and Chinese. So there's two videos that we have provided in the sites, which is mirroring ceremony and lion dance that has been performed during Chinese New Year. So the next one is for the food. There's two category, which is traditional food and modern food that can be found on Kuching. So the left side is the traditional food, while for the right side, it is a modern food that we can find on this Kuching. As you click again on the button, and then the last one is the Instagrammable places that you can find on this Kuching. So when you click on the button, there's several places that we have choose for people that like to take OOTD pictures or like something aesthetic places. So this is the place that we have choose for you guys to take the OOTD pictures, or you guys are Instagrammable type of person. So we have addressed also the places and then the number phone, so you guys can contact it if you guys want to book a slot, just in case the places is very packed with people. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for listening and watch this video.